just a little olive oil, a tablespoon or two, and poured some distilled vinegar in, maybe a quarter of a cup, and just took an old jug and filled it up with water. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of the methane smell in the basement if it's because of the trap, the drain trap. Okay, so my basement is kind of old and gets wet down here, but the drain actually dries out somehow and makes it pretty stinky. So I'm just going to pour this water down in there. It's got a little bit of vinegar and some oil in it, just a little bit. It's kind of like salad. Okay, it's going to keep your trap wet, and so that the valve doesn't open and let the methane gas come back up inside your house.